Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Simply Dims HK, and this time we were gonna make a noodles and sardines in omelette. So ito po yung aking ingredients. First is meron akong noodles dito. Binoil ko na siya guys, so it's ready to mix later for our other ingredients. I have 2 eggs. Meron din akong onions. At saka, ang ginamit ko is yung seasoning ng mga noodles natin. So, by the way guys, I am using a mee goreng na noodles kasi meron pa akong mga noodles, pack noodles dito sa bahay. So, I am gonna use this. Kakaibang potahe ito guys kasi hindi ko pa na-try to ever since, so I just want to invent a new recipe para matry naman natin kung okay ba. And also I have a sardines here, so let's try to mix all our ingredients here in the bowl. First, let's put the noodles in the bowl. Medyo mainit-init pa siya. And add our onion. And our 2 eggs. Here. Yan. Actually guys, never ko pa talaga itong na-try. But since parang masarap at saka pwede rin naman. So let's give it a try. And our sardines. So, ilagay lang natin lahat, pati yung sabaw. Haluin lang natin mabuti para mahalo lahat ng mga ingredients sa pinakailalim. At ihalo natin ang ating mga seasonings. Oh. Nasa sa inyo na guys kung hahaluan nyo pa, mimixan nyo pa ng salt and pepper or ibang spices. But since I have enough seasoning from the noodle pack, so ito lang yung gagamitin ko. I think it's already enough. At haluin lang po nating mabuti lahat ng mga ingredients. Mainit na po ang ating frying pan. So let's add cooking oil. A generous amount of cooking oil. So ito na po siya guys. Bali ang gagamitin ko lang is ganito na spoon para maano talaga natin yung ating noodles. It doesn't matter guys kung gaano karami o kaliit yung ipiprito nyo. Depende sa measurement nyo. So, yeah, let's try. Feeling ko masarap to. feeling lang. Sana. Okay. So let's fry it for about, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes. Yung pwede na natin siyang ma-flip na hindi siya maghiwalay-hiwalay yung noodles. So, yeah. Let's just wait. Oh, ang bango niya na, guys. Noodles and Sardines Omelette. So, kain po tayo. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating rice sa ating omelette. So, for sure, this is super yummy. Kain guys! Thank you for watching!